welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I am not getting ready for anything in particular, so maybe it's not really a get ready with me, but I'm going to be doing my makeup and talking and maybe going through a couple steps. We're going to do a fun, colorful look with this palette, the next one that everybody has, and I guess we will just jump right into it. Possibly be considered a first impressions because I have this CoverGirl foundation that my mom is letting me borrow. I'm going to see how it is. I tried a little bit of it earlier, not sure how I feel about it, but I've got my wet beauty blender and this little thing right here, and I'll try it out. If not, I'll just use my little stick foundation that I have. My cat. Oh my gosh. Also, my room's kind of messy. Ignore that. So I'm just going to take my beauty blender and dab a little bit on it so I can just try this out. I'm going to try under, or like right here, under my eye area and see how it is. It looks like it might be a little pale, but I am also very pale, so... Oh, I didn't explain either. I also did my eyebrows before I started filming because I look bad without eyebrows. So, did a full side of my face with the foundation that I was trying out. Honestly, it's not too bad. It's not very full coverage, like, at all, but it smoothed out my skin a little bit and it blended pretty well with just a beauty blender. I think I'll probably use that and a mixture of, like, my normal foundation all over my face, blend that out, see how I look, and yeah, so this a bit in the last video that I did, my Halloween video, that me and my family moved to a new house. So I have my own room now, and this is a big thing. It doesn't seem like it would be a big thing, but it's a big thing because in our old house it was a 2-bedroom apartment, tiny 2-bedroom apartment. I had to share a room with my 2 little brothers for about 6 years, which wasn't necessarily the funnest, and I'm getting older. I need space. So now I have my own room. I can film YouTube videos after school gets out. There'll be a lot of videos. And just, I have my own space now. It is so refreshing. When it's all done, I'm looking pretty smooth. Now I'm going to be moving on to, if I can find it, concealer. This is Master Conceal by Face Studio. This is also my mom's. I am out of everything. I have Shape Tape, but it's out, and I'm hoping to get more for Christmas. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit under my eyes, on my nose. Oh gosh, that's a lot. Oh no. I guess I'll just use that. Put some on my chin, up here on my forehead, maybe a little bit on the eyes, and I will blend that out. I honestly love concealer. It just gets rid of every bit of flaws that I have. You basically can't see my pores, you can't see my freckles, you can't see my zits, you can't see my dry skin that flakes off, you cannot see any of my flaws. It's just a smooth canvas. Now that I'm all concealed up, I'm going to be putting on some, what is that stuff called? Contour. I'm a beauty guru. I know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so I just have this old angled, angled brush, and I don't remember what this is. Sanitary. And I'm just gonna carve out my cheekbones. I love contour too. Yeah, I love makeup in general. Changes every aspect of my face. And continued and finished my contour as well as my nose contour. So now I'm going to bake this face with some classic Airspun and my beauty blender. This is also my mom's. Take a shot every time I say something is my mom's. Just kidding. Don't do that. You'll be dead. So I'm just going to take my beauty blender and carve a line where my cheekbone is. Set some powder down. You can't really see that. I'm sorry. But I promise it's there. And then the same for the other side. Go ahead and put some eyeshadow primer on. I'm using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. It has this fun little wand that you can apply the primer to your eyelids with. So all around that, and then just rub it in with my finger. This has turned into a tutorial. I thought this was a get ready with me. I'm still gonna call it a get ready with me. And go in with this purple shade with a tiny little brush, tap off the excess, and put it in my outer corner. Kind of just take that and blend it into the crease and blend it out. These brushes that I have kind of suck. I need good brushes, but I'm broke, so you're just gonna have to deal with what I get with this little brush. Now, once I get the purple blended out, I'm going to go in with this bright pink shade right here with a little bit fluffier of a brush to blend it out a little bit better. Tap off the excess and take it where the purple stopped at the top and blend it out with the pink. My camera is not picking this up at all. Maybe with the torch off? I don't know. I realized that my camera isn't going to do what I'm doing on my eyes justice, so I think I'm just going to sit here and do my makeup and kind of just talk instead of running through the steps. You can kind of watch me to see what I'm doing, but I'm not going to completely tutorialize it. I've got purple in my crease, pink blended out. Now I'm going to take some blue, this blue, and a mixture of this blue. Tap off. I'm using the same brush. That's my fault. I'm sorry. And then just put it in the inner corner. Blend it into the purple that's in your crease. Now, this is going to be a cut crease, so I don't want to get too messy with the blue, but yeah. I'm going to go fix that up a little bit. I fixed it up a little bit. Now I'm going to take some pink, like on a little brush, and take it directly under my bottom eyelashes and kind of connect it to the blue and pink that's over here. So I'm going to just keep it right under my eyelashes. You guys probably can't see it because I've been looking at the mirror. I am very sorry. I'm not a professional, by the way. This is just me playing with makeup on a Saturday. That's literally what I'm doing. Okay. And then I'm just going to blend it a little bit, not too much because I want it to be like, okay, so I cut the crease and tried to fix it up a little bit. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. I think I'm going to do some winged eyeliner and see if it makes it look better. Usually winged eyeliner will help. Also, I might do something with the cut crease. Don't know yet. I've decided to just cover my whole eyelid in highlighter. Pretty different from the last time I saw you. I went ahead and finished up this eye. We have a really fun, colorful look. Now I'm just going to be putting on my lashes because what's a look without lashes? They're just cheap lashes. I'm pretty sure I got them from Wish, so they're probably not going to look very good, but we'll make do, you know? We'll make do with them. And they're on, maybe. Maybe. They are on. Pretty. Ooh. Nice. On this other lash. Also, please don't complain about me using my hands to put on my lashes. It's the only way I can do it. I've tried tweezers and lash appliers and they just do not work for me. So I use my fingers. And obviously it's not too hard because, bam, my lashes are on. The lashes are kind of shitty, but the eye makeup looks really nice, I think, anyway. Now I'm going to apply this Urban Decay lipstick to my lips. It's a nude shade. I just figured it would go pretty well. Oh Lord. Last but certainly not least, we have highlighter. I have Luna highlighter. I'm not sure. Oh, it's in the shade Electra. It's a pinkish tone highlighter, and I have my little brush right here, and I'm going to be cheekbones. I need a little bit more. That's not doing it for me. Ooh, there we go. Nice little glow. Alright, and then Cupid's bow. And then chin. And then forehead, brow bone area. And then I take the littler side and pop it directly underneath the eyebrow. Same with the other side. And then in the inner corner of the eye, put some highlighter. And then I take my finger, rub it in the highlighter, dot at the tip of my nose, and then run it a little bit along the bridge. And then we're done. I was probably looking over there in that last shot. I was looking at the mirror that is behind my camera, so I apologize for that. But this is the look all done. My eyeshadow, skin, highlighter. I think I'm looking pretty okay. Like, I would go out in this. So thank you so much for watching this get ready with me. I really appreciate it. I would love to see your comments, see what you think about this look. How's your day going? Anything at all. Like would be really appreciated, and if you wanted to, you can click that little subscribe button and the bell notification to see when I upload. And yeah, so this is my look. I will see you guys next time.